know it's been a while, but still, let's do this. Let's do a 2017-2018 recap video because a lot of stuff happened and I really want to share it with you guys. So where do we start? I guess that would be January 1st, 2017. So this year it started off with a new quest. I finished my master's because,
as you can see, I'm a scientist. However, I found my true passion in film.
So I started to take this channel a little bit more seriously, and that ultimately meant no more Lucky Studios. And hello, Tom's Odyssey. This year was pretty amazing, and it started back here at the local playground, just doing some tips and tricks for y'all with the GoPro series. Like, I also took a few plunges in 2017. I got my good bro Mavic over here, and he got me to get Walter the Whale on candid camera, and I mean, they got us both on international television.
Het ging echt om een Groenlandse walvis.
Mensen aan om het dier met rust te laten.
That's dope, right? And then the good stuff started to happen. That's why I did an internship here at Media Life, to kickstart all my videography skills. And I mean, did I learn a ton this year? And also, I got this video going viral this year, which was totally insane. I mean, if you just think about it, it's really not to brag. It's just showing you guys everyone can do it. Even just a little YouTuber from Belgium. You know, all of this, it taught me a couple of things. First of which, you gotta make your own dreams and make sure you go through on them. Show the world what you're made of. Secondly, if you want to do something, just go for it. You have to put in the work, same as I'm doing for all of you guys. If you want to know something, you just go to the YouTubes and you just search for it. You want to be a filmmaker? Just look for it. If you want to be a photographer, just go and check it out. You want to be a chicken nut? Guys, what? I got to meet so many awesome people around here, and we all love what we do.
Like creating for you.
Isn't that right? And that brings us to the next point, which is all of you. This is all of you guys, and it wouldn't have been possible to get here without all of you people watching my videos. For that, I can only say a big thank you and all the respect that I can give. You know, 2017, it was a great year, but now I've been going through all of that footage. There's one thing I know for sure. We've reached a 10K. And now it's time to shoot for the stars. No, but seriously guys, this wouldn't have been possible without all of you. Last year we started at 1,000 subscribers, now 10K. I can only imagine where we're going next. This has become more than me, this has become our fucking Odyssey. Guys, I'm so stoked for what the future is going to bring, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay creative and inspire yourself. Oh, and by the way guys, since we reached 10K before 2018, let's do another giveaway. I'm gonna announce that soon on the channel, so stay tuned. Intro, back, outro, what? Play.